Aye vatsongo va ka hina I Manyangatse the komisa loko ro se subscriber kombela subscriber subscription ya wena ina nkoka ngopfu. So namuntlha I posted a post on Facebook where I said ni kombela ku comment on the issue ya Mapele, the way it's been marketing. In the garage ni speaking issue ya Mapele na been and almost everyone labanga inboxa labanga commenter said I should not say anything because labani kanyiketa Mapele free promotion. Then I was touched because I felt like they don't understand why Mapele is doing this. Mapele is actually doing that to actually kuma rotation. It's a marketing strategy. Now we're not going to Mapele namutlha really to that marketing strategy that he's using. So he's saying n'wana wa Benny I n'wana wa yena yaleyo ngiyithatheli angiyivalabuli. But this means I see a man who had a chance to brand himself when he was hot. He missed that opportunity because of color direction music wise. Because angatsami ipe album ya Mapele Pela nile ya Igananes anga featurenes, it was powerful. He went on, he changed production, angachitanga production per se. But then the way the album, the album, when you compare them, I find the album really no whatsoever. It wasn't the quality, and it wasn't that attractive. So Mapele missed opportunity to capitalize, to create fan base ka music wa Xitsonga imhaka yo music wa yena a wu nga ri na tikelo wo fana mi kuma album yena tshemta for with different quality ku ya matlangelo ku I sonic quality na swin'wana na swin'wana. So swin'wana swa sweswo swi nga endla a tsandzeka ku capitalize ka fan base leyi a ta va a yi kumini at that time. So n'wana loyi a pfuka ku vurhongweni sweswi a realize ku oh shit, I've worked with almost each and every big brand in the music. Wale Limpopo u tirha Show Majozi, tirha na Makhadzi, tirha Joe, tirha Mr Post, tirha Prince Rangalo, tirha Nes Matala, tirha Kombo Shirmani. We worked with everyone in the game, tirha Mr Bao. But then there's nothing to show. I was even struggling to get a page you fix 5,000 likes. So who's hot in the game now? We anga tshama anyiketa Mapele ndzilo nyana. Leswi nga langisa swona Mapele, then I wanna Benny Mayengani. Alangisa fan base ya Benny Mayengani ku ivan lava va lava ku ta very bana huwa ba insultive. So bana energy okare. So he took that negative energy liya which was gonna be directed to him to grow his brand. That's why now I was trying so hard to team Mapele, trying to give them the airtime. So he's a man who just woke up from Burongo lezanga bana zona. I realized the mistakes that he did. If you see ulakubuya evitora Benny. And mind you, chances are the album is gonna be hot. Kutula the beef thing because obviously now like a spotlight each and every post ya Mapele baseketeri ba Benny ba check. So xin'wana lava ku xi mention sort of for if you think you hate Mapele kambe you are still there in his page, that's not absolute hate, that's a hate with passion. So swi ntala ku swivula ku ngivulu ku uzonda Benny but ufika u commenta ka page ra yena swi constructive for yena. You are marketing your numbers for him, you're adding up to comments, you're adding up to reach. So as much as you think you remember really demolition, so this is a very same thing which is happening between Mapele and fan base ya Benny. But in the same time Mapele akaza makutipfusha, there are certain things which make sense. I read this other post ya Mapele where he said angavachavi vaseketeri va Benny because but very abusive and they want to stop Benny from paving ku ti endlela vito aka genre yin'wanyana kumbe ku ti endlela vito in the bigger market, because loko a ringeta xilo Benny fan base ya Benny ang abuser then a chava that's kuma ku na le ka music wa Xitsonga hambi ku nga endliwi mali that much, he can't move his influence to another genre because fan base ya Benny comfortable around Xitsonga music and doesn't want to see him aya kun'wanyana ya n'wakana. So I said something like that lexi ni nga xi realize ku na swin'wanyana leswi hi nga swi dyondzaku from what he's doing, but then all in all Mapele is just marketing his brand, a brand which you will remember in years. So an advice leyi yi nga ta suka ka mina to Mapele iku you should take few steps back into being personal. I know he's close na caterpillar, but he shouldn't allow his thinking capacity to be in the same level. They shouldn't fabricate stories to actually want to be there in a rotation. In the meantime, story leswi nga ta tlhela the future consequences because to vota ku to va ta siku rin'wana ta langutisa back to what's happening. Iva a kuma ku ve na Mapele is in the center of the pain of the bullying which the child will grow into. We don't know how Benny Mayengani will react ka reaction ya kona might not be in the song kambe it doesn't sit right as part of marketing. So an advice to Mapele, you must stay away from ku katsa n'wana na nsati and play the ball. You must not play the player. If you show I think it's one of the most important points. The reason why Mapele never had a proper fan base, so one thing Mapele should do, after producing his album, he's very talented, but he has his own style, has his own style per se, his own sound. So in capitalizing in that talent that he has, it doesn't reach rotation. So what Mapele must do, get one person to mix, arrange and master things, man. And look for an album as it sounds like remix I think I mix 2014 to 2019. So that's it. Subscribe bani. I think more videos are coming. I think chances are after this video midnight vandag. So I don't look subscribe. I believe in a very holy way. Subscribe and chap.